Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. I am Ma'am Shazia Kausar from Kingway Group of School. I hope you will be fine. Dear students, today we learn the poem from English book This is the Way. Today we learn the poem from English book This is the Way. So we start the poem This is the Way. See the picture and sing the poem according their actions. This is the way, this is the way, this is the way. So we start.
This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we put on our clothes, put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes so early in the morning.
ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आपको समझ आ गई होगी। आपने इसी तरह इसको याद करना है। आज के लिए इतना ही। मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़, गुड बाय।